They said that snow.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It's snowing, guys. What's wrong with your phone, son?
Dead.
Your phone dead in a time like this.
Dead.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. I'm so excited. We haven't seen snow for a long time. This side is nice. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Tonight it's snowing, so I like the snow. Yes, Christmas in the air. You can't bother with me. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Tonight it is snowing and I'm so excited, so I decided I'm coming out just for you guys to see what's going on in London. Oh my god, I wish you could see it, especially my mom. She always wanted to see the snow. Unfortunately, she's not here, so this is for my mom. Come on, like all I could pick it today. I'm scared. Wow, it's so sad. I can't skate, you know, people. Oh, you like it, Lena?
Yeah, man, snow look good, man.
Yes.
It's been a while since we had snow.
Huh?
So it's been a while since we had snow.
You're walking night today. Today, I'm not sick, you know?
Right now we need some.
Head.
Right now we need some hot chocolate.
I'm gonna drink some hot chocolate.
What?
Now, enjoy winter this year. Because next year, I'm going to Jamaica.
So people, you see the snow?
Come on, my head.
Yeah.
I love it. When you're this small, you know, you lay down in
What?
the snow.
Hey.
And
When I was younger, a bare minutes I was doing, you know, when I see the snow and
when
that.
you see the snow,
What?
you're always excited.
Yeah, man.
What you used to do when you see snow?
You said you look up. What the song called? You lay back
You
down
lay
and
down
you go,
and you swing your hand.
What?
Oh, I love it. I'm just loving every moment of this.
Yeah.
Walk around. You see how excited the kids are?
Yeah, man.
Everybody excited.
Cause we haven't seen snow in years, man.
Yes. So everybody excited. Things just look like Christmas. It's beginning to look much like Christmas.
That me know.
Oh, I'm really enjoying this Christmas, you know.
That's
We'll
good.
walk around and go back home. You know why? Everything is working out nice for us. Ooh, I need my gloves. Can't come out without gloves.
Yeah, see, look, become prepared, look.
No,
Look, find me.
you have your gloves.
Yeah.
Me? But it's too excited.
My net drop, you know?
I'm so happy. But cola kill me, man. Cola kill me. This little video is just for you guys to see the snow. It's beginning to thank you God for all blessings. This is the blessings. It's nice, isn't it, Dina?
Yeah.
What?
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Where do you go with this?
Come on now.
You ready now? What is this?
Yeah. Oh, it's not what it's doing.
Sorry, but let's stay up. Okay, okay. People, you see the snow?
It is freezing.
Yeah, man. They're playing their Christmas songs, yeah, though.
It's so nice. Eh?
Mm-hmm.
It's nice. I think we should call my mommy.
Yeah.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. It's snowing, guys, and I'm loving it. But I'm cool. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Merry Christmas when it comes.
Bye.
Bye, guys. See you later,
Alligator.
alligator.
What?
See you later, alligator.
Yo, it's not. I go. And I'm here.